Nothing says holiday season quite like a sugar cookie. As a kid, I made these every year and I enjoyed my creation for days to come. And now as an adult, I get to take my love for sugar cookies and make a grown-up version. It's December and at my house, that means it's time for holiday cocktails. And I'm making 25 straight days of cocktails to get you ready for any upcoming holiday party or to have an extra cocktail tool to get you through the holiday season. And if you enjoy these short cocktail videos and want to be notified each day I drop one, be sure to hit that subscribe button as well as the bell to be notified. And for day 11, I'm making you a Sugar Cookie Martini. So let's head to the bar and make this. For this drink, you're going to need vanilla vodka, Irish cream, and butterscotch schnapps. Additionally, I'll need to use half and half. And for the room garnish, I'll be using vanilla frosting and sprinkles. And the tools I need for this drink are a shaker set and a Hawthorne strainer. Everything I use in my bar as well as in this drink are linked in my description, so don't hesitate to pick up any bar essentials you might need. Okay, we're gonna start this drink off by prepping the rim. I'm using a plate of vanilla frosting and a plate of sprinkles. I'm gonna dip and twist the glass in that vanilla frosting, and now I'm gonna dip and twist that rim in the sprinkles. Setting this aside, I'll bring out the shaker and I'm gonna add 1.5 ounces of vanilla vodka. Now it's time to add 1.5 ounces of Irish cream. Now add 1 ounce of butterscotch schnapps. And lastly, 1 ounce of half and half. Add ice to the shaker and shake for about 10 to 15 seconds. And now strain everything into the glass. And there you have it, the Sugar Cookie Martini. Cheers. This drink is so unbelievably good, it's not even funny. When I tell you this drink tastes like a sugar cookie, I promise you, this drink tastes exactly like a sugar cookie. The vanilla, the butterscotch, the cream, everything works together for this drink. It is so good, barely even a drink. Yeah, there's booze in it, but this is a straight up treat. I wouldn't advise drinking these late at night before bed, but for a party, this drink will impress everybody. So I dare somebody out there to hate this drink. And in the comments, if you hate this drink, please let me know. I'm sure it's too sugary, but still, it's a fun drink. Additionally, if you're new to the channel, please consider hitting that subscribe button and the bell to be notified. I put out new videos and shorts each week, and the support means a lot. But until next time, cheers.